Let's talk about the most affordable yet most overlooked maintenance item that when neglected causes the greatest damage: air filters. Changing air filters on a regular basis will not only lead to improved air quality, but also an increase in energy efficiency. This will save you a quick buck on energy bills, but more importantly, it will extend the life of your AC unit. A dirty filter will restrict airflow into the unit, which can burn up your fan motor and lead to a multitude of serious issues. To avoid this costly mistake, be sure to replace your filters every 90 days. When selecting replacement filters, you'll want to keep two things in mind. The first thing is make sure you get the correct size. To identify the correct size, you can simply check the current filter and get a new one with the same dimensions. The other thing to keep in mind is the grade of the filter. Denser filters will remove more dust, pollen, and other particles from the air in your home, but they'll cause more strain on your unit. If you're unsure which filter is right for your unit, consult an HVAC professional. Once you've got your new air filter, it's time to replace the old one. To do this, turn off your HVAC system and simply remove the old filter and replace it with the new one. Once the new filter is in, turn your system back on and enjoy that fresh air. So be sure to replace those air filters on a regular basis. Your AC unit will thank you. And remember, for all of your home inspection needs, give Diamond Head Home Inspections a call at 808-228-7478 or visit our website at diamondheadhomeinspections.com. We'll see you there.